Okay, so there's a lot of features in Zoom that we should all know about, and some of them we think we should just turn off. One of those features is called auto framing. Auto framing is where it automatically sort of reframes you depending on where you are. Apple has a native technology of this called center stage. Um, Us personally, we don't care for this feature. It makes us a little nauseous. There's a little motion sickness vibe in here. We don't care for it. I would say the only time that this is relevant is if you're talking at a podium and you're sort of moving around or you're giving some sort of a presentation and you want this thing to follow you, kind of sort of like how a camera person would. But if you're sitting at your desk and you're recording a video for Zoom or for Dubb or for Instagram or for YouTube, it's probably not going to be a good experience. So if you notice right here, you'll see if you click on the up arrow right here in the video section on Zoom, you'll notice video effects and settings. And then if you go here into the appearance section, which I think is the second tab, you will notice auto framing. I would just make sure that this is off. The other thing that I will add as a bonus is I actually really like the portrait mode. So I adjust it for low light right here and I turn it all the way up and I use portrait lighting. And then if you want a beauty filter, this is another one, which is Touch Up My Appearance, which does skin smoothing.